Hey y'all. Okay, this is our Unit 10 map. As you know, my map is going to be messy, so make sure you are pausing and you're getting things as we go because I'm going to erase things as we go, okay, so that I can make sure we have room for everything. Go ahead and get 3 colored pencils. You'll need 4 actually. You need 4 colored pencils and something to write with, okay? And let's go ahead and jump right on in. I'm going to start with bodies of water. Okay, so come to our pen, go black. Okay, on this map, I do want you to shade in all of your bodies of water because as you can see, it gets a little confusing up around these areas down here to see what is what. So please make sure that you are doing that as well. Okay, so let's start off with the easy one. This is the Atlantic Ocean. We have the North Sea right here. That's the north, that's an R, okay? This body of water right here is going to be your Baltic Sea. Balticsea. It's all up in here. This one right here is your Black Sea, okay? And down here we have the Mediterranean, M-E-D-I-T, Mediterranean Sea. And this one right here in between Italy and these countries here, this is the Adriatic, A-D-R-I-A-A-T-I-C, Adriatic Sea, okay? All right, so those are your 5 bodies of water. Make sure you have those. I am going to go ahead and shade mine in, okay? You need to do the same thing as well. So go ahead and click pause, shade that in, and I'm going to get mine colored in too. Okay, so your map should look like mine right now. So all of the oceans have been filled in. Just make sure you go back. It gets a little sketchy up here around with all of these islands. We're going to switch gears and we're going to start labeling some countries now. So we'll start with the what should be very easy ones for you. This is Portugal. Portugal, my O and my R didn't show up. This is Spain. You have France. This is Italy. This one is Switzerland. Okay. If you want to put SWZ to abbreviate that, it's fine. I know that's a long word and it's hard to get in. If you prefer to write it out, you're more than welcome to just draw an arrow to it, okay? This one is Luxembourg, this really teeny tiny one. So I'm going to draw an arrow here. Well, I'm going to draw an arrow here and write that out for you. L-U-X-B-U-R-G, Luxembourg, okay? We have Belgium right here. Belgium. This is the Netherlands. Okay. Here we have Norway. This is Sweden. And this one is Denmark. Oh my goodness, this pen is terrible. I'm sorry. Denmark, okay? Right here we have Germany. This is the Austro-Hungarian Empire. While we're talking about empires, come on down here and label the Ottoman Empire. Okay, this is Greece. Right here is Russia. Okay. This is Romania. Right here is Bulgaria. This is Serbia. I'm going to try to get that in there for you. S-E-R, it's not going to fit. I'm sorry. S-E-R-B-I-A. This is Serbia. S-E-R-B-I-A. Okay. This tiny, tiny one right here is Montenegro. Montenegro. My goodness. Okay. And this one right here, this country right here, that is going to be Albania. This is Albania. Albania. Okay. So those are all of our bodies of water and all of our countries. Okay. I'm going to clear this map here in just a second. So make sure you've got what you need. We're going to go in and label some cities first, though. I'm not going to actually write the names of the cities on the map. I will spell them if I think you need it, but you need to make sure you know. Oh, we forgot to label Great Britain. This is Great Britain. Okay. Together, this is the United Kingdom. This is Ireland. This is Great Britain. Okay. So I'm going to put dots for our cities. And let's start with London in Great Britain. So it's right here, kind of off the water, about right there. There's London, London. Come across the water into France, about, say about right here is where we have Paris. And just a little southwest of that is going to be Versailles. Okay, you have Paris and Versailles. Come down into Italy. Right about here is Rome. Okay. Jump over into the Austro-Hungarian Empire. We have Vienna, and it is right about there. Vienna, Vienna, Vienna. The capital of Germany is Berlin, and it is about right there. Okay. And you have two cities that you're going to label in Russia. You have Warsaw, Warsaw. That's located right about here. And then St. Petersburg. Let me move myself here. St. Petersburg is going to be right around there, St. Petersburg. Okay. All right. So those are all of our important cities that you need to make sure you have on your map. I'm going to go ahead and clear it, and then we're going to come back and get our different central powers and allied powers in there. Okay. All right. So let's start off with, start with your green, okay? We're going to give yourself a key over here on the side of your paper, okay? Your green, that's going to represent your allies. Ooh, that's really thick. Your allies. Oh my goodness, y'all. Allies, okay? We are also going to come down a little bit. Give yourself some red. Okay, those are going to be our central powers. Okay, and so these are going to be your central powers. Central, and then we're also going to have neutral. Okay, your neutral powers, we're going to label those as yellow. We're going to color. Whoops. All right. Well, you're going to color your neutral countries yellow. Okay, neutral. All right, so let's go ahead and start with those neutral countries, okay? I'll go ahead and tell you which ones you need to fill in. It's going to be Sweden, it's going to be Denmark, Norway, the Netherlands, Belgium, Portugal, Spain, Switzerland, Italy, and then jump over around to this area. You're going to have Romania, Albania, Greece, Bulgaria, and that's it, okay? So go ahead and get those shaded in. I'll get mine shaded in, and then we can compare, okay? Okay, so these should be the countries that you have shaded in for your neutral countries, okay? These are neutral. Next, we're going to go in and color in our allied countries. So those are going to be Ireland, Great Britain, France, Russia, Serbia, and Montenegro, okay? Go ahead and click pause, shade those in, and then compare your map to mine. Okay, so this is what your map should look like with your allies shaded in. Now we're going to go ahead and go back in and get our central powers taken care of. There will be three main areas that you'll do. You'll have the Ottoman Empire, the Austro-Hungarian Empire, and Germany. Okay, so go ahead and click pause now and take care of that. Okay, so this is what your map should look like. Only yours should have your cities, your bodies of water colored in, as well as the countries labeled too. So over here, you'll notice that I gave myself a key. Neutral countries are yellow, central powers are red, and then your allied powers are green. You will not have a map quiz on this, but you will see this map on your test. So make sure you have this map complete before the day of your test. Okay. All right. See you guys next class.